Hello! Our goal today is to learn comparative adjectives. Let's compare people, places, animals, and things. When do we use comparative adjectives? Well, we use comparative adjectives to compare two people, two places, or two things. When we use comparative adjectives, we always need two things as a reference. Comparative adjectives are divided in different categories. The first one is one-syllable adjectives. These adjectives include ER. For example, strong, stronger. We have consonant, short vowels, and consonant adjectives, for example, big. In order to identify these adjectives, we need to consider from the end to the beginning of the word. Consonant, vowel, consonant. We double the final consonant and we add ER, like big, bigger. Adjectives that end in E, for example, large. In this case, we only include the final R, because the E is part of the adjective. Adjectives that end in Y, for example, happy. To make the comparative form, we substitute the final Y with an I and include ER. Therefore, we have happy, happier. We also have two-syllable adjectives. For example, gentle, and we can have gentler or more gentle. When we have three or more syllable adjectives, like for example, expensive, the comparative is more expensive. And finally, we have irregular adjectives. For example, good, and the comparative is better, or little, and the comparative is less. Irregular adjectives are good, and the comparative is better, bad, the comparative is worse, far, and the comparative is farther. This is a very important tip. One-syllable adjectives have one or two vowels, like short or nice. Two-syllable adjectives have more than three vowels. For example, handsome or interesting. Let's practice comparative adjectives. Pablo is taller than Jackie. Lupita's dog is smaller than Luis's dog. A candle is hotter than a hot dog. Vegetables and fresh food are healthier than fast food. A Ferrari is better than a Corsa. Remember, comparative adjectives are divided in one-syllable adjectives, two and more syllable adjectives, adjectives that finish in Y, and irregular adjectives. Thank you very much for watching.